How many of you have heard about the mentorship program? Wow, everybody, I don't need to speak. Jerry, you're next. So, ChiPy has just one goal, to make you a better Pythonista, right? And the mentorship program is just our tool to make you better. For 3 months, we have an experienced Python programmer working with a relatively non-experienced Python programmer, and they build some cool stuff, work on Python for 3 months, and at the end of 3 months, they come here, stand here, show you what they have built. And then you get to vote who's done the best work, and there's some cool prizes. All right, so we have 3 tracks. We have 2 places for Python 101, 4 places for WebDev, and 4 for data science. To be a mentor, you don't have to be any of them. All you need is empathy. For Python 101, you need some hand-holding, like people who are coming new to programming, they don't know how to set up stuff, set up their environment. You have to have the patience when they're staring at the stack trace and don't know what to do and on the verge of giving up. That's where you step in. For WebDev, you have to be comfortable with at least one or many web frameworks, and you have to be opinionated about the, what you say is the best web framework, Pyramid, or whatever. And for data science, you really know what you're doing when you're a mentor. You wear a T-shirt that says "Data is the new bacon," and you have experience with sklearn and different machine learning algorithms. That's all. So what are your duties as mentor? So you have to meet with the mentee on a regular basis. We recommend once a week, but you can adjust it with your mentee. Attend the coding dojos. I'll talk about it in a while. And attend the Python project nights. How many of you have been to a Python project night? How many of you know when it happens? So Python project night happens the next Thursday after ChiPy, and you should all come here. Come to the Python project night. It happens at Braintree. Awesome place, and we have a lot of fun. So a lot of you want to be mentees, and what do you have to do to be a what kind of people are we looking for? So for Python 101, you typically have done Code Academy, and beyond that, you don't know what to do next. You have done some Coursera stuff, need help in debugging, environment issues, and things like that. To become a WebDev mentee, you have to have a good understanding of Python. You don't just start WebDev without understanding Python. And from this season, so we have had 4 seasons of mentorship now. This is the 4th season. And we want you to come up with a project idea. And I'll talk about that in a while. For data science, also, you need to come with a project idea. So your duties as a mentee are that you work with your mentor to establish some goals, attend the 3 coding dojos, write a progress report blog post, 3 progress report blog posts, and at the end of the mentorship, you come and give a lightning talk. So we cannot cater for everybody, so we limited it for, really funny. So only 10 people, right? And I'll send out on March 15th, I'll send out a link where you can submit. It's a form that you fill up. Tell about yourself, what you want to learn. If you're a web dev or a data science, you submit also a project idea, what you want to work on. Based on that, we will try to pair you up with the mentors who have signed up. So if you're a mentor, you want to be a mentor, or you want to be a mentee, sign up to our mailing list and also meetup.com. I'll post the links. You can fill it up, and we will select and match them. And from April 15th, we'll kick it off. One tip for getting selected is we want you to show perseverance. Even if you haven't programmed before, show us something that you have done before where you have stuck to it and you have stuck to the end of it. Because a lot of people think, oh, this is very cool. It's free. We'll just sign up. And then when it gets very hard, because we have a very tough schedule. When it gets hard, people just don't stop showing up. Those who aced the mentorship program, they showed up at every event that we created. And I just got a mail from one of the mentees last night saying that I just got my first job, and I've shown my work as in the interview process, and I got a job. And this is not first time. We have seen a number of people who have shown what they have done for the mentorship program and landed with a job. So Coding Dojo, we have 3 coding dojos, one for each track. One is for the Python 101, one for WebDev, and one for data science. So we have one problem, 1 hour, small teams of size 4, which has 2 mentors and 2 mentees. And every 15 minutes, we switch. At the end of the hour, you show what you have built, explain the code, walk through it, and see each other's solutions. So sign up starts on March 15th. If you haven't signed up to our mailing list, go sign up. And any questions, all the questions basically are on ChiPy.org pages, SIG at mentorship. That's it. Over to Jerry.